Good morning students, myself Remya. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will be taking a science subject and will continue with the topics which are left of chapter 1, that is nutrition in plants. First we will go through the topics which we already studied in the previous videos. The topics that were discussed in the previous videos were photosynthesis in plants, diagram of a section of leaves having different color also do the process of photosynthesis and how they do it. What is algae, where it is found, synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. We have discussed some points of this topic. Now we will discuss the other points which are left out in this last topic, that is synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. Now carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are used to synthesize other components of food such as proteins and fats. Proteins are nitrogenous substances which contain nitrogen. Now plants take in nitrogen from the soil rather than from the air, although nitrogen is present in large amount in air. Why? Because plants cannot absorb the nitrogen in the gaseous form. Now there is a bacteria present in the soil which convert the gaseous nitrogen into usable form and release it into the soil so that the bacteria can absorb nitrogen with the water. Now you must have seen farmers adding fertilizers and manure to the soil, so that fertilizers and manures are rich in nitrogen which are put in the soil so that the plant can use the nitrogen they require from the fertilizers. In this way, plants synthesize proteins and vitamins. Now the next topic is other modes of nutrition in plants. Now the plants which do not have chlorophyll depend on other plants for food because they cannot make their own food. So they use heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So the mode of nutrition that some plants take, such type of mode of nutrition in which the plants depend on other plants for nutrients, such type of mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic. In the picture you can see a yellow wiry structure running around the stem and branches of the tree. This yellow wiry structure plant is called as Cuscuta. This plant does not have chlorophyll. As you can see, it's yellow in color, does not have the greenish color, and it is yellow since then also it is not having chlorophyll in it. So it takes ready-made food from the plant or the tree on which it is climbing. So the plant or the tree on which it lives